What if I would tell you that there's a one pranic practice which can slow down the blood pressure, reduce the anxiety, calming the mind, and at the same time improve the digestion? There's a one pranayam which can improve the brain capacity to intake the knowledge and store the knowledge. What if I'll tell you will not get sick if you will do this pranayam every day in routine? In today's class, I will be sharing with you one ancient pranic practice which gives you all the benefit which I just said to you. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashantj. In today's class, we will be learning Kaki Mudra. This is also the mudra, but at the same time it is a pranic practice. Kaki Mudra, the name Kak. Kak is a Sanskrit word of crow. There was a saying before about this crow, that crow never gets sick, and also you will never see the crow is sick, but birds and especially crow never get sick. And the secret was Kaki Mudra, the technique this crow all the time does. By keeping this secret in the mind, yogis developed this practice which is called Kaki Mudra. This practice helps you to improve the digestion, also balance the temperature of the body, and also improve the immunity at the same time. This also helps you to improve the mental strength. So mentally you become calm, mentally you become more receiver. Your receptivity about the knowledge increases faster in this Kaki Mudra. Let's get ready and let's learn about this mudra and practice correctly. So in this mudra, we will make the lips like a beak, crow beak. So you need to make a round, squeeze all the skin around the lips and make a beak like a crow, like this. And now keep the tongue to the little bit lower palate, not upper palate. Inside the tongue, make it lower, like that. And then make a beak like a crow and start inhaling from there. So you will do like this. This is how you will inhale, and then you will exhale through the nose out. But there's a one thing that you will focus on, that the drishti, you will not keep the eyes closed. You will keep the drishti at tip of the nose while doing this mudra, and at the same time while doing this pranayam. So you will hold like that, you will watch here, you inhale while watching tip of the nose, you inhale like this. Make a beak like a crow. Keep the tongue to the lower palate where the wind touches the skin of the tongue, and then start inhaling. Fill the air to the stomach completely. Now close the eyes and then you exhale like this, complete exhalation. This is for beginner, that they will inhale by focusing tip of the nose, but they will exhale by closing the eyes. But those who are regular practitioner, after some times of this mudra practice, you will do all the time Kaki Mudra with a constant focus tip of the nose, and you will do at least minimum 10 rounds of Kaki Mudra. What happens when the breath enters, outside breath enters to the body? It stimulates the saliva area where the saliva is produced in the mouth, and slowly saliva increases. This is the first digestive juice that your body produces in mouth. So when you do Kaki Mudra, the saliva increases better. This digestive juice increases better and helps you in digestion very well. The saliva also helps you to balance the acid in the body. Sometimes due to overheat, sometimes due to imbalanced digestive process, many people suffer from over acidic problem, acidic issues, gastric problem, acid reflux. This Kaki Mudra very helpful in this. Try this technique. Let's get ready with me. You will do at least 5 times today with me, and then you can increase the number by yourself. Let's start. Let's sit straight first. Make Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra. Now, first you close the eyes. We will do beginner one. We will inhale with focused nose and we will exhale with closed eyes. If you want, you can constant focus tip of the nose, and you can try with open eyes as well. Now first close the eyes everyone. Relax the entire body. And now, first, open the mouth, make a beak. Keep the tongue lower palate. Focus tip of the nose and start inhaling and continue 5 rounds. Exhale, nostril exhale. When you breathe in through the mouth, it's like you're drinking the air, the same feeling. You need to drink the air nicely, you need to swallow the air. Once again, second round. Last round. Swallow it. Stay 5-10 seconds. And exhale, nostril. And relax completely. Relax the entire body. And gently open your eyes. So that was the technique of Kaki Mudra. This Kaki Mudra you will do mostly at the time of summer, or when you feel that excess heat is not going out from the body, when you feel that body temperature is rising, you don't have fever, but body temperature is rising, which is disturbing the mental state. This is good pranayam. That's good pranayam at that time when you feel that anger is rising quickly. That time you will do this pranayam. When you feel that distraction, procrastination, you cannot focus in work, try this pranic technique. It will definitely help you. This practice you will not do at the time of winter, too much cold. You will not do this pranayam at the place where there's a pollution. Mostly do this pranayam when there's a full ventilated air, the nice atmosphere, sattvic atmosphere, lots of plants and trees around you, pure air. That time this mudra is very helpful. Regular basis, 10 times every day, and you will see the amazing results to you. You will improve health, you will improve the state of mind, you will improve the state of emotions are balanced, and you will be happy. Try. If you like this video, share the video with others, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you can get such videos regularly and improve your practice. Namaste, see you again.